This is 100 Filipino pesos. And on this banknote is the Mayon volcano. Now, whether or not you choose to believe me, the real volcano is just there behind me. Today, we're going to attempt to ride an ATV up it. Let's go. We are currently being told how to operate the ATVs. Let's see how this goes. Febby's going first. Okay, you can kind of see the mountain, volcano, peeking out in the background behind us. We have found a way to kind of secure the camera. I've tied it to the chest strap on my backpack, so obviously that makes it difficult to speak to the camera while we're going along. You wouldn't hear me anyway over the ATV engine, but it's just to check in, and now I'm going to tie it back to my chest and we'll keep on our way down the lava path. Let's go. It is trying its best to peek out now. I will say it takes 5 or 10 minutes to try and tie the gimbal for the camera back onto my chest. So I'm not sure how many more times I'm going to stop and talk to the camera. It's probably just going to be a jumble of footage of us riding around, but we'll make the best of it we can. It's very fun. Febby's a little bit slower than me, so I tend to let her go on ahead just so I can drive faster a bit to catch up. But she's also stopped for a photo shoot again. As the sign says, we're now entering the danger zone. Watch out for lava. That's not something I ever thought I'd actually have to do growing up in England. Back on a bike. I have to say, driving on the road is probably the most fun actually, because you can open up and go pretty quick. So if I win the lottery, you know what the first thing is I'm going to buy. Okay, we've jumped off the bikes for a bit and we're going to go and see some lava from when the volcano last exploded, which I believe was 2006, which actually isn't that long ago, is it, in the grand scheme of things. So fingers crossed it ain't about to go again. Off we go. Febby, I didn't know there was hiking involved.
Surprise!
Not a good surprise. Unfortunately, the volcano, as often happens with Mother Nature, does not feel like playing along. Might be a little bit windy up here as well, so apologies for the noise, but this is the black lava field. What was left over from when it spewed out nearly 20 years ago now. I think now it's about time to jump back on the ATVs and get riding again. Let's go. Okay, well the camera's just fallen off while we're driving, so I think that's probably time to put it away now. We're nearly back. There we go. Okay, that was a lot of fun. The rain's just started again. Hopefully the footage comes out okay. It was a bit of a botched job tying it to my chest. Febby's just noticed something on the map, so before we end the video, I'm going to take a 5-minute walk down the road and have a look at it. Let's go. Someone filming a bit more professionally than me over here for Febby thinks Romanian television or something. They're a long way from home like me. This is the Catanduanes ruins. Have I got that right? Catanduanes ruins. Nice old church. Big old tower behind me. We'll get some closer up shots so you can have a look at it. And then there's one more thing for me to go and look at down the end of this field. Let's go. That's all for this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel adventures, and I'll see you next time. Now I'm off to eat a few of those. Let's go.